Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking the coordinates and moving now, don't stall. Open your map, set waypoint x equals 12, 4, y equals -7, 8, and confirm route is clear. Next, secure 2 energy cells and the hacking module so you won't be stranded. Once done, check vehicle fuel is at least 50% and enable stealth mode to avoid detection. Move immediately toward the nearest landmark and deploy a light beacon if visibility drops. This front-loaded prep saves time and prevents mid-route backtracking. Once underway, follow the ridge path to reduce exposure. You'll want to conceal yourself every 200 meters to shake routine patrols. Approach the perimeter terminal and use the hacking module to bypass Level 3 security. This opens a side access without triggering alarms. Make sure to deploy a scout drone for an overhead scan. It reveals blind spots and vents you can use. As you move from cover to cover, check the terminal logs for timing to slip through automated sweeps and adjust speed accordingly. You now enter through the maintenance vent and move quickly but quietly toward the control hub. Once inside, locate the main terminal and upload the override script. Watch status indicators until control confirms. After taking control, seal the rear access to prevent counterentry and set a 5-minute lockout while you extract. If an alarm triggers, do not panic. Abort to your pre-planned fallback point, clear local logs with the module, and wait 60 seconds before retrying. That brief pause resets patrol patterns and lowers detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.